There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Durango SXT in Blue Bayou Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, right side roof rails, rear load leveling suspension, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature controls, selectable steering modes, second row 60/40 folding and tumble seats, third row seating, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5565A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.